We are on campus at the University of Illinois at Champaign-Urbana, talking with economist Dr. Geoffrey Hewings, director of the Regional Economics Applications Laboratory. Jobs and unemployment have been hot topics. What is the outlook for jobs in Illinois?
We had 6 very good months at the beginning of the year where, for Illinois, the month-to-month changes were positive. And I think a lot of us were wondering whether this would be a bumper year in terms of job growth in Illinois. Since 2000, we've not had but 1 year where we've added more than 60,000 jobs. And we had already done that by the end of May. Nationally, we've had 2 months where private sector job growth has been overwhelmed by these losses in the federal government, and that occurred again last month, so that the expectation is that Illinois probably is not likely to see positive changes. Our forecasts are that for Illinois, anywhere from 60 to 100,000 job growth, the 100,000 representing the optimism as a result of the first 5 to 6 months of the year, the 60,000 reflecting the fact that job growth is likely to slow down. I think most analysts suggest that for the next 2 quarters, we're likely to see a much more muted job growth nationally and certainly in the state of Illinois.
What is the relationship between jobs and the housing market?
I really believe that the housing market that really led the growth rates in the early part of this century are now very much tied to job growth. And I think that most people are going to feel much better about making major purchases if they can have a sense that the private sector job growth is going to continue. And until that happens, I think that people will be much, much more cautious than they have been in the past. And I think as a result of this, we're going to see a very, very strong relationship between home sales and job growth over the next 6 months to 18 months, much more so than we've seen in the past.